Straight to the basket. How cool is that? I've literally wanted to get the yellow set of this for ages and they've never had it in. I absolutely love that. Gonna pick that up straight away. They are absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love those. Little cardigan's really cute as well. It's kind of like ASOS vibes. They're the same as the pink Zara ones, but these are just wide leg, which are really nice. They've got them in yellow as well. These are really cute for like a holiday. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be one of our faves. We're going to do a come shop with me in Primark. So we're going to see what's new in, we're going to look around all the sections, and I'm literally so excited. You know, this is one of my absolute fave videos to film, and we'll have a huge try and haul coming as well straight after, so definitely stick around and subscribe if you don't want to miss that. And let's go to Primark. I think we're going to go for a little coffee first because I'm honestly exhausted. I don't know why. We've actually been car shopping today and I've actually got a car, which we'll put out in a future vlog, but yeah, I'm picking that up next Saturday. It's just getting ready, so I'm so excited about that. It's been a great day so far, so let's see what Primark has to bring for us for today. But yeah, let's first go get a coffee. So we've just quickly stopped off at Soho Coffee, just had a little iced coffee. We've both got a vanilla latte, and then we're gonna head into Primark in a second. So it's just here, back into our favourite place. So this is just as you come in. I'm literally drawn to this immediately. I absolutely love that. I'm gonna pick that up straight away and add it to the basket. How cool is that? That is so nice. They've got these dresses as well that are really cool. They've got like a cool collar. They're kind of just short dresses with the collar, short sleeves. How much are they? Only £10 as well. They've got it in that color. I'm not really a fan of that other color, but the green one's really cool. I love this as well. Imagine that with like a little bralette underneath it. I'm gonna pick up that one as well. And they've got this skirt, which is really cool. I mean, this is the coolest middle bit of Primark I've ever seen. This dress is also really cool. It's got like the nice detail here, but I've just seen this, which I'm literally obsessed with, and I'm definitely going to add straight to the basket. How cool is that? I mean, if they've got any sizes. Oh no, they haven't. They've only got extra large and medium left. Okay, well, I mean, if anyone has this in their store, I think that's so cool. So I've just come into the holiday section, and I literally got these last year and I wore them so much in my Turkey vlog. You probably saw me wear them literally every day. So I'm going to pick up the white ones. I feel like they'll be see-through, but I think they'll look cool with a bikini. So I'm going to grab those. They've got a size small. If not, I'll just have to get extra small. This is really making us wish we were going on holiday. We are going to Devon. True. We're going to a Devon holiday. We've not got like an abroad one booked, and I feel like looking at all the towels is making me really want to go, and all the bikinis. These bikinis from Primark are really good as well. They're literally £2 for the top, £2 for the bottom. I've got this in blue. I think I've got the black one actually. But yeah, these are really good, and like they look really nice on because you can pull like the bottoms up really high. But I'm just having a look at what other ones they've got. They've got stripy, which is kind of cute. I don't think that's really me though. They've got spotty, pink. They had this last year in black and they've got it in pink now, which is really cute. I love ribbed stuff as well because it's really flattering. They've got this, which is like the little ruched pattern, which I think is really nice. I might get the pink one. Obviously got full costumes as well. Oh, they've got a green one around there. Let's go around. This is a vibe as well, this little sarong, and they've got it with this green. Oh, I've got this as well. I've got this in black. I got that last year as well, in the black. So I've just picked up this to get, which I think is really cute, and they've got loads of different sarongs as well. Like that one's really cute. They've got this dress as well, which I think is really cool, which I love. It's only £10. In the dress section, they've got mainly got summer dresses really. That's cute. Just trying to see what else. I'm not a fan of those. Got play suits. This dress is really pretty as well. I love that. That looks tiny for a size 6. It looks like a child's dress. And they've got that one's cute. Sorry, Primark, who is she? They are absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love those. Need to get those. Little cardigan's really cute as well. It's kind of like ASOS vibes. Big fan. I've got these sweatshirts which are kind of cool. I really like this one. That's so nice. Primark have got these, which is actually so good because they're the same as the pink Zara ones, but these are just wide leg, which are really nice. They've got them in yellow as well, but they're more, yeah, those are really cute. These ones are similar to the Zara ones as well, because Zara have got some kind of washed out pink ones on there right now as well. So we're now in the gym section. They've got that little sports bra, which is quite cute, which is, how much are you? £6. They've got the classic tops, which I'm not really too fussed about. They've just got these basic tops, which are always good. They've got some water bottles, yoga mats and things like that, little towels. Yeah, that's literally it. We're now in the pyjama section. Probably will come away with about 15 pairs, but there we go. So let's see what they've got. This is really cute. These bottoms are nice, stripy. These pyjamas are really cute. These are like Lucinda's, aren't they? Remember, she wore them every day.
Yeah.
In Love Island. Got these matching sets as well that kind of remind me of the lounge sets, you know what I mean? Because they're the same sort of fit as those. Literally wanted to get the yellow set of this for ages and they've never had it in. Finally got it. Favourite is around here. Really cute. These are nice little sets as well. Oh, are they?
I don't know.
They're nice because they're kind of, the bra matches the bottoms. Also nice. Yeah, that's what I thought. And the shorts and the little bralette, all really cute. I'm obsessed with these sandals as well. They've got a 4. They haven't. I'll have to get 5, but they might be fine. So back in the shoes, they've got these in yellow. They've got them in cream, so I think cream is the best option here. What else shoes have they got? I'm going to give you a little overview. I mean, nothing's really taking my fancy in the shoe department, to be honest with you. I'm just trying to see if they've got any cute ones. They've got these little yellow ones, which are quite nice. They haven't really got loads.
Just with the 2.
Yeah, they're the same as these. They've got these in gold and in orange, those ones. But there's nothing really too exciting apart from the flip-flops, which are always a must. These boots as well, just seen after we've been in the shoes section. These are actually quite cute and I feel like those might be popular this autumn because they're quite simple. 16, so cute. So we're just gonna look in the little accessories, like beauty section. I want to get some lip liners actually because we actually got a lip liner last time and it must have fell out the bag because I could not find it. So we're gonna look in the lip section. I've heard loads of people talk about their makeup in here, so I'm gonna get a few bits. Okay, we've found the liners. There's actually got a few colours this time. Remember last time they only had one colour? They've got this one, taupe. They've got this darker one, Spice, which I feel like would be good. This one's definitely been opened though, so that one's fine. I might go for those 2. Those ones are nice. I also am a big fan of the nail section, so I usually go for the almond or the square. The square ones are more comfy, but let's have a look what they've got. So I'm just grabbing at some of these to that hairstyle where you can pull both sides back. So I thought these would be cute. They've got this size as well. I'm hoping these are going to be strong enough. These are really cute for like a holiday. So I think I'm going to grab those. They're so cute. They're very different as well. I love those. Oh, and they've got these as well, which I've had a similar pair before. Let me try and focus it. There you go. They're cute. So we're now going to the home section. This is literally my favourite section of Primark. Like every time I go into the home section, I love it. So we have arrived. This is what I'm seeing that's new. I haven't seen this kind of vibe before in here, which I'm really enjoying. I feel like things are getting into autumn, which I'm not sure if I'm happy about or not, but these are the candles that I'm seeing. So I'm just looking at all the pillows and I absolutely love that one. I think I'm going to get that for my bed because I literally just love it. And then these as well, the neutral ones are so cute. That reminds me of all Chloe Rose's bed because she has all stuff like that and they're so nice. But usually they're so expensive, these kind of things. So, I mean, let's have a look. Literally like £9. That's so good. They've also got a lot of like the kind of wooden thing, which I feel like is also really in at the minute. All these like storage things are really nice and actually quite big inside as well. They've got those. They've got quite a lot of stuff like that around here. Little pots like that. It looks like a pumpkin and it's getting me a bit excited for autumn, but it's not quite that time yet. I don't think it's meant to be a pumpkin. I think it's just that shape, but can't escape the pumpkin look. For a candle, imagine how nice that would look. This reminds me of like H&M Home, these things. So nice. I don't know how much that is. £6, I love that. I say this every time as well, but I love that Primark have these planners. They're literally like £1.99 or £1.50, so good. And I really like them. They've got a few different ones. That's a Disney one. So we're just looking in the pet stuff and I'm literally trying to petition to get this for Bailey, but my mum said it won't fit him because it's size small. If we literally took that back and put it on him, Dad would have a fit. That is so cute. I'm literally walking out. I've already paid and just found this. I absolutely love that top. How pretty is that? And they've also got it in black as well. Only £7. I love that. So we're now finished in Primark and it was actually such a success. They had some really cool bits in. Like the very first clips when we first walked into the store, it was like checked vibes, like marble print, like it was literally sick. So yeah, definitely pop into Primark. I'm literally getting so washed out by this camera. But now we're going to go to M&S and pick up some dinner because honestly M&S food and like their cocktails and just everything in M&S is just the dream. So we're going to go get some dinner. So anyway, there'll be a huge try and haul coming in my next video. So definitely stick around and subscribe if you don't want to miss that. I'm so excited for it. I'm literally going to go home and probably film it tomorrow, to be honest, because Saturday night, you know, I just want to chill now. But yeah, after this video, the next one will be the huge haul. So definitely stick around if you want to see everything I picked up. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.